All right, welcome back to Computer Vision. Today we're going to finish our little tour of the visual system of the human visual system, the anatomy of the human system. So when we last checked in with our heroes, we had this little model going on here. Remember, here's our nose over here. Here's your eye, and it's got the optic nerve going through its optic chiasm, and it goes to this first area called the lateral geniculate. And then from the lateral geniculate, most of the stuff goes to the visual cortex, although some goes to superior colliculus, which we'll also talk about. Last time also, we discussed in some nauseating detail what goes on in the retina. So today is going to be sort of what goes beyond, from above the retina.